Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. So in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can learn vocabulary easily. Vocabulary is the most important part for your daily life because every time you should know the vocabulary if you wanna speak English fluently, if you wanna learn English with the confidence, right? So without vocabulary you can't speak English fluently. So how do you know the basic vocabulary? And you have to take some vocabulary. It's available in your textbook. You can find from your textbook. There are so many vocabulary is available in your textbook, and you can use the vocabulary from your textbook and you can practice as well. Okay, and today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can learn vocabulary easily. So for that you have to action. Okay, so you have to use your body, you have to shake your body for learning vocabulary. When you will shake your body, when you will use your body, that time you can remind vocabulary for a long time. You can't forget, you will remember for forever. So it's very important things. All time we try to memorize vocabulary and we forget, and then we drop learning, we drop speaking, right? So this is the solution. You can act all time, you can shake your body with learning vocabulary. So in this video I'm gonna practicing some basic vocabulary. That vocabulary is very needful for you. Okay, first vocabulary is eat. So how you can learn this vocabulary? You can learn with the action eat. Eat, that means eat. You are eating something, you are very interested to eat something, you like to eat, right? So I eat, I don't eat. I eat, I don't eat. Another vocabulary is sleep. I sleep, I don't sleep. I sleep, I don't sleep. Like this you can practice in your home, and if you follow that system process you can speak English easily and you will not forget the vocabulary. You can remind the vocabulary for forever. At the first time you have to drop memorizing vocabulary, memorizing structure. You have to come out your structure, come out your vocabulary from the textbook, and directly you have to action with the vocabulary. Another vocabulary is run. You can run like that. I'm running, I'm not running, I'm running, I'm not running. Another vocabulary is walk. You can say I walk, I don't walk. I walk, I don't walk. Another vocabulary is jumping, jump. I jump, I don't jump. I jump, I don't jump. Another vocabulary is listen. You can practice as well like that. I listen, I don't listen. I listen, I don't listen. Okay, I know it's a funny things when you will do that in front of the people. People will say you are so much crazy. I have a suggestion for you. So don't go outside, and in your house you can practice like that. And action with the vocabulary, you will never forget the vocabulary. Okay, and you have to work with English. When you will try to memorize English, you can memorize and you can say English, but after few days you will forget. When you will learn with the action, with naturally, you will never forget. Okay, you have to learn English with naturally. So try to learn English naturally. Forget memorizing all the things. So in this video I tried to show you a lots of things, how you can learn vocabulary, how you can remind vocabulary for forever. So if you find this video was little bit helpful for you, so never forget to subscribe and hit the like button. If you hit the like button and subscribe the YouTube channel, I will be more inspired and I will make this kind of video again and again. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and to share with your friends. I will see you in another video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.